Hello, I'm Kelly Brooks, Chief Development and Resource Officer for Beauregard Health System in DeRidder. I'm delighted to have the opportunity to speak with you today about some very special projects we have coming up at the health system. We've been working over the last 2 years on some very specific strategic construction projects. We are going to repurpose the third floor of our health system for a one-stop shop women's center. You can see here in this floor plan, this is the third floor of our hospital, and to the left here will be our physician offices and exam rooms for the physician offices. So when women in our community need to come in for their annual checkup or their annual exam, they will come to the third floor of the hospital and see their physician on the third floor. We'll also have diagnostic services on the third floor for women. We'll have mammography services, bone density services. So again, a one-stop shop for women on the third floor of the health system. You can see on the right side here in these blue areas will be our LDRP rooms, and that stands for labor, delivery, recovery, and postpartum rooms. So when new moms come in to have a baby at Beauregard Health System, mom and baby will stay in the same room from delivery to discharge. And we're so excited about that. That's a more contemporary birthing experience, and that's what our young mothers want. So here's a picture of the waiting room as you would see when you come off of the third floor. If you're coming to have your annual checkup with your OBGYN. And here's a picture of the labor, delivery, recovery, and postpartum room. You can see the size and scale of the room here. Plenty of room for mom, baby, and family to stay for this very special experience. Again, here is an aerial view of the entire plant with the existing building, the new ER, the helipad, additional parking for the emergency department, and right here will be the women's center entrance. And so women in our community can come right in this Pine Street entrance. And we have two elevators here, and one of those elevators will be a dedicated women's center elevator, and it will go directly to the third floor. It will not stop at the second floor. We will have women's parking along the front here and along the side. So once again, one-stop shop, women's center, women's services at Beauregard Health System. Over the last 2 years as well, we've been working on a foundation. And our foundation is an opportunity for our community to get involved with the health system with philanthropic dollars. And I would just like to say that the emergency department and the Women's Center project are just two initial initiatives of the foundation. The foundation will certainly be here through perpetuity, and the mission and the goal is to continue to provide the best health care in Beauregard Parish possible. And we want to leave our camp better than we found it. And we want to have the best possible health care for our children and their children and well into the future of Beauregard Parish. So here is a little example of an org chart of our foundation. It's 100% volunteer organization. We have 6 different giving clubs, so there's an opportunity for everybody in the community to give at a level which they feel comfortable with. So if you would like to have more information about our foundation, you can visit our website at beauregard.org, and there you will find additional information about each giving club. Again, I would like to thank you for the opportunity to speak with you today. and let you know about these exciting projects that we have coming up at Beauregard Health System. Thank you.